Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the lotus flower, so let's get started. To draw this beautiful flower, let's start with the center petal. So I'm going to come right here in center, give myself a point, and I'm going to come down at an angle. So it's basically like drawing a leaf or like a teardrop, raindrop shape. So I'm going to bring this down, and then I'm going to round it off at the bottom. There, so I got one beautiful petal right in the center. From there, we're going to start to build it up on the sides. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm going to come out. This is a fully bloomed lotus flower. So we're just going to make it nice and wide and big and bring it right back in. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Fully opened. Lotus. So same thing on the other side. So we're just aiming to be about the same on the other side and bring it right back in. So it's nice and even. Then from there, let's come in here. We're going to go draw another petal right in here between these two. And same thing here. And one more at the top, in the back. There, so everything is still nice and even. Then let's open it up a little bit more. So I'm going to come about right here. About there, and then bring it right back in. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. And tuck it in. And let's draw the bottom part. So right here in the center, once again, we're going to draw another petal, but it's going to be a little bit smaller, a little bit shorter, and connect. And two more. So one about right here, and bring it in. And same thing on this side. So whatever is easiest for you to draw these petals, you can start at the bottom or you can start at the top. It doesn't matter. You just want to create this beautiful, fully open lotus. From there, I'm going to come about right here and draw a stem. About right here. Just give it a slight curve. Okay, so we have one in. If you just want to draw one, you're pretty much done. But I thought it'd be really nice to draw different variations of this flower. So I'm going to come, let's see here. But you know what? Let's draw some leaves first. I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. So the difference between a lotus and a lily, I found out, is the lotus comes up and the lily is just more flat on the water with the pads where it's just those circular flat leaves on the water, whereas the lotus kind of pops up and the leaves pop up too. They're much bigger. So, and I think they're just more beautiful. So I'm going to come about right here in this area and I'm going to draw a leaf. So I'm going to curve. Imagine this coming through, nice big leaf. And come out and out. I'm going to expand it out. So I just want to create this big shape right here behind this flower. And then from there, I'm going to come right here and connect everything with these wobbles all the way across. All the way across and connect. And then let's come right here and we're going to give a little bit more dimension, add another layer right here in the back, and then just taper it in, just like this side. There, and then let's add a stem right here in the center as well. There. And I'll go ahead and add another one here just to finish up the composition to make it a little bit more complete. So I'll add one right here. Just another curve and wobble across. Just imagine it's right here. And then the leaf, the stem. So I hope you love this composition I've created. You can definitely come up with your own and add as many leaves or flower as you want. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw one maybe where it hasn't opened yet. It's just like the fully enclosed flower that's just popped up. So I'll put one right in this area. I'll come right here and I'm going to draw a little petal right here. Give it a little angle and then come about right here. Draw another one. So everything is still in the center, comes from the center. And another one right here. And then so we're angling this way and I'll bring my flower draw right there and connect. And I'll just add some indication of petals in here. There. And then let's add a stem, of course, so right in the center. Just bring this down. There. Okay, and then let's add another one here just to bring it up higher. This one is just a little bit more open, just a tiny bit more, but it's the same idea. So I'm just going to start with a petal right here in the center. Bring one out. And let's see here, one right here in the center. We can pop one out right here. So as you can see, I really hope this is helping you. So it's just that these petals, it just depends on how open you want them, how closed. Just add it in and then it's all nicely centered. There, something like that. And then let's add a stem right here. So it comes through, we're going to see it a little bit here. There. From there, I'm going to add a little water line just so we can bring everything together. So let's just say about right here if you like. And it goes straight across. To look at my camera, make sure I'm going straight. Okay, so something like that. It just anchors everything a little bit better. And then last but not least, I'll add a little dragonfly right here. So let's do a little simple one. 2 little dots for eyes. Come right here with a little oval for a body. And then the tail. Just curve the tail a little bit. So you create that little shape and then the wings. So everything comes from the body right here. So I just draw 2 of these long wings and 2 on this side. There, hopefully that looks like a little dragonfly. And now that we're done with the drawing, I'm gonna go ahead and just color it with some of these alcohol markers. So they're all done. I really hope you love watching me draw and color this beautiful lotus flower. And yes, there was a lot of back and forth, and sorry if it was boring when I was coloring it, but I wanted to go into the pinks right here and do a lot of layering and building up the color. So that's why it took a little while, and also just wanted the tips to be a little bit darker and the ends so that this part right here pops out with the white, because the petals are very gradated in color. And so that was my attempt to make it look like that. And also, of course, the greens, just the darker green and lighter green really helps to pop out the leaves. And the water, of course, the blue, and the blue on the dragonfly. But that is pretty much it. I really hope that I helped you and draw this beautiful flower. And I'm just so glad I finally took the challenge and did it, and I really loved how it turned out, and so I hope you did too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.